good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bronte. In case you are new here, make sure you subscribe if you would like to see more of these DIY at home tips. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a whipped iced coffee. So let's get straight into the video. So today I'm going to quickly show you how to make a whipped iced coffee, like I said, just using a few products. So all you need is instant coffee, sugar. I only have raw sugar, but most people are using white sugar when they're making this, a whisk, which is whisk, and then also hot water. So it's super easy to do. You only need 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, but I'm going to do a double batch. Now I've got an electric beater, which I borrowed off my mum. I'm using it with white sugar, the same coffee. Okay, let's see. Whoa. Okay. I think my whisks are way more intense than regular ones. Okay, that was only about 1 billion times easier to do than doing it yourself. Obviously my electric beater was a bit hectic, which has got a lot of splash, but look at how thick and creamy that looks. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. This is a magical creation. I don't know how it tastes yet, but it looks amazing, and I'm just wondering, and obviously that was so much easier to do with the electric beater than with the manual whisk. Obviously it still works, so we'll soon find out. Oh my god, you guys. This is so good. Look at the foaminess. So super simple and easy to do, especially if you guys are at home at the moment. This is a really easy DIY whipped coffee routine. You guys should definitely give it a try and let me know in the comments below if you've tried it already and what you think of whipped coffee. So let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe if you would like to see more of these easy DIY videos, especially DIY coffee videos. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed watching it, and hopefully I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.